Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth if you're new here. Today is a Saturday. We're starting a brand new vlog. It's still morning. My husband and I are going to some place that we want to see. We saw a couple of houses online. In the area, but we're not really familiar with it, so we just want to go see if it looks like a place that we can live in, see how far it is from like train stations and other stuff. So yeah, let's go. I'm actually having coffee in the car. It's drizzling, but I have on, I don't think it's that cold, but I did pack like an extra jacket in case it gets worse or in case I'm outside and I feel like I'm cold. But for now I'm just wearing this cropped jacket with a cropped top. I got the top from Zara. I got the jacket from a Chinese store back home. I think it was like shopping. Wearing cargo pants that I got from here. Sorry.
At the roundabout, take the third exit at a 4143.
Wearing the cargo pants that I got from here, as well as my boots, Costa Water. So yeah, let us go. We're actually having so much trouble finding a house. Well, we are seeing houses, but once we give like our details and stuff, people just go AWOL. Like, it's stressful. This is literally our last month in that house. We need to move out, but I don't know. I just hope we make it. Honestly, we have to find a house. Like, it's getting serious. Yeah, because this place is the literal Cape Town. We'll see. So this place, literally, it's either you're sloping down, yeah, or just driving up high or walking up high. It's a hill area. Literally, guys know. I was just telling my husband, I don't think I would be able to drive here. The current car we drive is a manual. I could never, not even in an automatic. No. And it looks so crowded. It looks like a million people live here. That KFC was too good. I'm so full. Guys, we parked so far from the mall. Okay, it's not so far, but if you're carrying stuff, it's far. We wanted to get an Asda after KFC, but we decided to come get the car, park closer, and then we can continue with Asda. So yeah, honestly, I think we've decided that we're not gonna stay in that place that we want to check out, mainly because of the roads, just how the area looks like. It's gonna be too much admin, quite frankly. Driving from there on a daily basis, it won't make sense, honestly. So we wanted to check out a different area, but zero luck. Anyways, let's go see what we can find in Asda. We passed by a nice butchery. We found whatever. Yeah. We actually found meat that looks like it's proper meat. We got some lamb chops and I forgot, I think pork. Yeah, probably pork chops. I'll show you guys when we get to the house door. We got a couple more stuff. Went into the charity shop, British Home something. We found like a mattress cover and a fitted sheet and mattress cover, but I'll unbox everything when we get home. Just wanted to fill you guys in. Let's go. Yeah, I think where most cars are going, to your left.
Left it.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on Tudor Road.
Yeah, this is the stuff that we got. The lamb chops I was talking about, and some pork sticks. I couldn't eat my coleslaw at KFC because we didn't see where the spoons are. So I carried it home. I'll have it probably tomorrow or the other day. But I plan on cooking like mash tomorrow with lamb chops. Guys, we've been using the Dove soap now. Dove soap these days is just worse. Somebody made a post. I'm gonna put it on the side. And ever since I saw that post, the Dove soap just got worse. So we decided to try something different. We decided to try something else. I hope it'll be better. Honestly. Guys, we're back home. I think you guys have seen like the grocery or home stuff that we got. I walked into a store and I saw that they had like a end of season sale. Everything was like £5 and less. I didn't like much, honestly. I saw these cardigans that I really like. I actually want the grey one. Oopsie. Of all the colors they had, I liked the grey and the red. So I decided to go for this red one as a first. If I go back for another one, I might get the grey one. I'm not too sure though. It's a very nice cardigan. I like the quality as well. It's a one size fits all. I like the length as well. It goes like below my knees, way below my knees actually. I like the length. It reminds me of the orange one that I have. Because I like it so much, I decided to get like a red color. It's gonna look so pretty. I actually might wear it tomorrow. I'm not too sure when we go to church. We'll see. And then from I already mentioned that we went to a charity shop. We got this fitted sheet. It was going for £6.50. Yeah, I think we got it in a size double because honestly most rooms here are like double sized. So if we are gonna buy a bed or mattress, we're most probably gonna buy like a double bed and a double mattress. So yeah, we also got this mattress protector, also in a size double. It was going for £14, which I think is not bad. They say it's quilted or quilted, however you say that. And yeah, I think it's something we're going to buy, to be quite honest with you. So when we saw it for a lesser price, we decided to get it. So yeah, I think that's all we got from the shops. We did not really have a productive day, to be very honest with you guys. We're having trouble finding our house and it's starting to stress me. Out. I thought by now we would have found something, or at least gotten a response, because we're seeing houses that we like. You know, we're sending stuff that they ask us to send, and then everybody just goes silent on us. I don't know why. If they could at least communicate, like, you didn't send this or that, or we need this, or you can't view the house, because we actually have not even viewed a single house. Pray with us. We need to find a house. Anyways, I will see you guys later. My husband and I had like KFC quite late, so I'm not gonna cook anything tonight. We did buy a carrot cake, so I think we're just gonna have like tea and the carrot cake later on, maybe like 6, 7-ish, because it's around like 5 right now. I'm not hungry. I'm just gonna have water. We're gonna watch something probably on the laptop in the room. It's very gloomy, so it's the weather for cuddling, right? Actually wasn't that cold. I mean, it's not that cold. Or maybe I'm just getting used to the weather here. I don't know. Let's go, guys. I need to change. Let's go, guys. I need to change. I need to wear something a bit more comfortable. I will see you guys tomorrow when we go to church and then come back and make mashed potatoes. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a Sunday. Happy Sunday. My husband and I are actually going to church. He's waiting for me in the car, so I need to go. I'll catch up with you guys a little later. Let me lock as I talk. Started off my morning with a good Benjamin Dubé, one of my favorite artists' favorite songs by him. So yeah, the weather is not too bad today. I'm actually wearing my two-piece from Shein with my blazer from Shein. I'll ask my husband to take a video of me so that I'll show you guys. Let's go.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind.
We're back home, baby. It's cold. It's colder than it was in the morning, actually. So I had to put something underneath my pajamas. I'm gonna make breakfast. My husband is currently doing laundry. I'm gonna make breakfast for us. Church was amazing. Yeah, later on I did say I wanna make lamb chops. So excited. Let's make something. My husband got coffee though from church. I didn't because I wanted to eat first. If I had the coffee, I was not gonna eat. And that's not good. I haven't had anything since morning and it's like 12 o'clock. Imagine.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me.
First time in Morrison's. You don't need a lot of stuff though, but still.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake.
We're getting rained on. Oh my god. We decided to go quickly to Morrison's to get a couple of stuff. Now we're almost home. It starts drizzling. It was sunny and windy when we left the house. Oh my god. Oh. It's getting worse. Oh my god, we still have like 4 or 5 minutes more overworking. It's crazy business. And it's so cold. Like the wind is so cold. Imagine that plus the rain. Oh my god, I regret my decision.
The game should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to.
Managed to get home safely. We got these donuts. They look nice. So I wanted to try one. It's the sugar ring donut. Looks nice. I don't want anything like over the top with jam or chocolate. Just something very simple. That's exactly what I wanted it to be.
What?
Okay, don't crop it out, baby. Very nice. My husband wants to taste the ham.
It's really not since it looks
Oh,
weird.
because do not do it because it smells like ham, baby.
It smells good.
It's just ham.
But it's nice.
Yeah. What does that make in dinner? I'm not making anything hectic. Wanted to make like pasta tuna, and we realized we didn't have like enough tuna for the both of us. So that's the whole reason why we went to Morrison.
Tastes nice, but
This donut is very nice. Yeah, papi. I think that's how I generally feel about ham. I can never have like more than two. I also got these French fries Walkers, or Walkers French fries, in 3 different flavors. Ready salted cheese and onion, and the salt and vinegar. I'll actually try these with you guys.
How?
I was just curious. I can I'm gonna review. I'm gonna taste them while shooting, so that I tell them what they taste like.
Let's see, you are going to taste with them. No, it doesn't make sense.
That's what it means, though. I vlog. I'm basically taking them through my days and the week.
At least maybe I'm going to taste them and let you guys know how they.
But they know that's what I mean.
Then I'm with you guys.
I'm tasting them with my girlies and guys.
You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. If you are lonely, if you are lonely, please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know. I think you're lonely. Found out through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't I just so far. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you when you're lonely.
Hey guys, I wanted to quickly close off this vlog, but obviously I wouldn't do that without tasting at least one flavor. So I think we're just gonna taste the ready salted. That is what the inside looks like. They literally shape like fries. I honestly don't know what they taste like. I really don't know what I was expecting, but it's not this. I actually don't like them. I don't like them. I don't even think it's like the flavor. I don't think I'm gonna like all the flavors. They just had this, they have a weird taste. Besides the salt. Okay, very interesting. I don't like them. I wouldn't buy them again. I wanted to tell you guys, let's see. I mean, it's good news, but it's not the best. So we got like viewing. We saw 2 houses so far. We were booked in for 2 houses so far. One's tomorrow, but the sad part is that this vlog has to go up tomorrow morning, and we're only gonna go to the viewing tomorrow, which means I can't put in this vlog. So definitely my next vlog, I will definitely vlog for you guys so you see the houses with us. So actually, I'm really hoping for the best. It's a good thing because we have been hitting walls all along, just trying to, we couldn't even get like bookings. Like I did say, would send in the documents and then nobody would respond. So at least this time, you know, the people who were helping us were very eager to find us a date, you know, book a viewing and stuff like that, so that we can view the house and then take it to the next step, at least, you know. So we are moving in like 2 weeks, so we need to find a house. You guys will see in my next vlog, okay? If you did watch this far, thank you so much for supporting me once again. I really do appreciate it. I hope you keep coming back. And for the girlies that keep coming back to my vlogs, baby, I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate you guys. There are no ads for now on my account because I need to sort some things out. But when the ads do come back, please do continue supporting your girl. Anyways, I'm really grateful. I'm so excited for the viewing. Like, I think we're gonna get there early. Yeah, I've been googling, like, you know, decorating houses and stuff like that. I'm so excited about like this new chapter that's gonna come. But anyways, you guys will have to stay tuned to see everything unfold. All right, but for now, bye. I'll see you guys next week.